Hello, Tina from Short Me Tina here, and I'm interrupting this video to give you a PSA. If you're watching this video, I can conclude you're either a trader or an investor looking to make money in the stock market. If any of those statements are true, then you're going to want to do two things. One, sign up for our free newsletter, as we discuss tips and secrets on how to make money in the stock market. And two, check out our watch list. It's released every Sunday night for free. They contain a handful of stocks I think can make everyone, including you, money. Now back to the regular scheduled program. Hello, this is Short Me Tina once again from shortmetina.com, doing a video recap for ticker SNAP Snapchat. Right now what you're looking at is a daily chart since the stock IPO'd back in 2017, around March of 2017. So the stock has been trading as a publicly traded company for a little over a year, and so far I think yesterday's earnings was earnings report number 6. Okay, so again, it's still a relatively new publicly traded company, and in my opinion, we have to give it time to sort of work out the kinks. Full disclosure, I am long Snapchat. I've been relatively bullish on Snapchat for a very long time. And despite, earnings report, which in my opinion wasn't horribly bad, I think the media really is sort of like overplaying this decline in daily active users. And it is a decline from first quarter to second quarter. It's not a decline I believe, quarter over quarter. At any rate, yeah, I think the media is kind of really overplaying this. And again, relatively new company, they redesigned their app, and that might have some to do why users fell off a little bit. But again, let's give the company some time. Looking at the technical chart, again, daily chart dating back to IPO, for me, granted, we're sitting here or, we're hitting up against support, but as long as we can stay above that support area of around, we can say 1150 to 1250 in that range, as long as we can stay above that, I think the chart is fine, right? And you can see that area has held as support since the stock IPO'd. We got to that support level around August of last year, about a year ago. Stock bumped, right? We had a bounce all the way up to 21, representing something like, almost a double or 100% increase from those August lows, right? Then we revisited that support area most recently the last quarter, and it didn't hold. We actually broke. We gapped down. We broke that 1150, 1250 area, and we went as low as around, we can say like 1050, 1075, somewhere around there. We didn't hang out below support for a very long time, right? In fact, it took us about, 2 to 3 weeks, and then we were back again over support. So we're flirting with that support level here, but again, as long as we can stay above 1150 to 1250, I don't think that there is any cause for concern from a technical standpoint, okay? And so also remember, a couple of things that are bullish in my opinion for Snapchat. Technically, the chart looks fine, right? We're still above support. We're still above that support that has held overall since the stock IPO. That's a positive in my opinion. Then also remember, most recently they did inform us on the conference call that a Saudi prince took about a 2.3% stake in the company, right? Which I think is equivalent to about $250 million. That's no small bet, right? People are trying to downplay it. Oh, it's very small relative to, I guess, the amount of money that he has. No matter which way you slice and dice it, $250 million is a huge amount of money. And let's not forget, right? Let's not forget several months ago, Tencent 12% stake in the company, which at the time was equivalent to about $1.7 billion. Again, that's no small investment either. So you have a couple of big players, in particular Tencent, backing this company. And that's not why I'm necessarily in the stock. But again, these are the positive things it has going for it. From a technical standpoint, Snapchat is perfectly fine, in my opinion. Let's keep moving forward. So that's my take. Short Me Tina once again from shortmetina.com. If you enjoyed this video, do two things. One, head on over to my YouTube page at Short Me Tina and click that subscribe button. That way, every time I upload a video, and I do daily videos, sometimes up to 15 of them, you won't miss not one. You will be notified when I upload a video. Then head on over to my page, shortmetina.com, and sign up. Become a member. I also at times, I have premium content, but I also have free content. And if you're a part of my newsletter, right, I'll be able to share with you some of my trade ideas. So that's it. Short Me Tina, once again from shortmetina.com. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.